mag-subscribe ka na.
Elsie Manalo, Bulacan!
Ooh, Charay. Ganda. Oh, ay. Oh, slow motion ang lola nyo. Charay. Charay. Oh, pak. Ang charay. Pakak na pakak ang lola nyo. Oh, grabe talaga yung kanyang pose and poise. Ang facial expressions, ang projections, talaga namang liyad kung liyad. Ikot mong ikot na plakado talaga, imperfection talaga. Ang isang Chelsea Manalo. Charon, galing. Bulacan! Ah! Ganda! Ganda!
Okay, Miss Bulacan, are you ready
Very
for your
deserving din naman talaga si Bulacan. Oh,
I want to
ganda.
know, what are you looking forward to? You had the choice, not being able to wear heels or getting your favorite food delivered to you anytime, any day, wherever you are in the world.
Ooh.
So one of the things that I also want to share here is that I love to eat ice cream. It's one of my comfort foods. So behind the stage, whenever I get to eat ice creams while wearing my heels, is both things that I actually like to share with you guys. So it's both win for me.
Sino ba namang may ayaw sa ice cream? Diva! Ganda! Oh. Ganda nyo! Ganda kinikilabutan ako every time na pinapanood ko ito. Ang ganda! Ganda ng gown talaga. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. Sobrang bagay. Ganda. Yung kanyang facial expressions, no? Yung kanyang face card. Talaga namang hindi nagpapakabugit siya. Nakakaloka. Ganda. Talagang tumatak din sa kanya talaga yung kanyang dimples, no? Parang ako. Charot! Grabe, nakakaloka.
2 spots left, and one of them
Ganda.
belongs
Ang ganda rin ng gown ni Jimmy mo. Bulacan! Oh! Winner! Oh, diba? Charot!
Next is
Bulacan. Oh, ay. Ayan. Final question and answer na tayo.
Thank you so much. All right. You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
Ooh.
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the vows that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I am. Thank you.
our Miss
Okay lang yon.
Universe Philippines
Naitawid niya naman kahit inabutan siya ng
is
ng timer. Tagal, oh. Ano ba yan? Tagal. Parang hindi ko pa alam, no? Oh, Bulacan! Congratulations! O, diba? Winner! Congratulations! Chelsea Manalo, Miss Universe of Philippines 2024. Ayun, yung nilagay na yung corona, so kinat na yon para, kasi di ba pinagtatawanan yung nilagay yung corona na parang, abanse-balanse yung, abanse-balanse yung hashtag. Pero ayun, okay lang yun. At least sinanggal na, no? Winner! Congratulations! Chelsea Ann Manalo, Miss Universe of Philippines 2024 from Bulacan.